Hey, Mystic here. The other day we went to IKEA. My glasses are dirty. The other day we went to IKEA. I got my tax return in and I decided to finally get a bed frame. I haven't had a bed frame since I was 14 years old, and I figured it was about time. So Poe and I decided to go and film our little adventure. My boyfriend Nathan went along with me, mainly to help me do heavy lifting, but also he's never been there before. So, hope you enjoy our little video.
Hedge. I'm not sure if that's hedge.
That is the most brutal way to say hello.
Hedge. Hedge.
Yeah, kids area.
And it's got a giant spider thingy. Oh no! Everything's going away.
That is brilliant though.
Dead ideas.
It's so parents can abandon their children
While adventuring the maze that is IKEA.
I am okay with this. Oh, that's actually real.
Is it?
This is short.
God damn it! This is why we can't have nice things. See, she's doing it again. She's ruining everything again.
Ew, that was gross.
Why do you gotta ruin everything again?
Here's the Death Star.
Dun dun dun. Oh
Oh, no way. Oh, that's wicked. I like that.
no! No, we're cool. We're cool. We're cool. Are we? No, they found our weakness.
No home is complete without a bowl of random balls somewhere in your house.
Cat balls. I love them. The glass cabinets. The shadow box cabinets.
Oh, nice.
I could display my little spoopy things in them.
Spoopy things or your bowl of balls.
More Death Stars.
All the
More
Death
Death
Stars.
Star.
Orange.
This one's orange on the inside.
Ooh, this one is more authentic to the exploding power.
Explodey.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Exploding.
I love that. I want like 10 of these.
You want 10 of them? Put them throughout the whole home.
Yes, I don't think the house would appreciate.
Now, here's the real question though. Would you prefer them open or closed?
It depends. If
Well, considering there's two of them over here.
I could have pre-space battle and then post-space battle and have all my spaceships flying at it or.
Oh, would you glue them? Would you glue your spaceships on like the outside?
I need
No. I'd
this
hang them with
table.
fishing wire.
So,
Wait, why is it not?
don't freak out. It's cool.
I want those.
Ooh, look at that one. It's a bigger one of that one.
Looks like a big ball.
A big what?
Pollen ball.
Pollen ball?
Yeah. Like what pollen looks like under a microscope.
You could put it in a greenhouse. I wonder if there's not fake spilled coffee in any of these too.
I'm still blaming you.
Oh my god.
$29.
Look at this mirror.
Oh, that's
that
gorgeous.
That's pretty.
I need that mirror in my my lair.
I will say, out of all the stuff we've seen, this is like the most remotely gothic looking room.
I mean,
I like that tub.
Yes.
Very old school.
Walk-in closet for all your walk-in closet needs.
Ooh.
Here is my bed. Yep. Here is my bed. Yep. 4 drawers. Let's see. Yeah, look. It's got drawers. Big drawers.
Sex toys.
Drawers for clothes
And sex toys.
and sex toys, if I want that.
You might be able to hide the cat in there too.
Yeah,
Yep.
let's put a cat in there. See, they even got little separator drawers for all your sex toys.
So I got my code down. So we're gonna explore a little bit more and look at all the things. You don't like this
bit
room?
Yeah.
Whiter than me.
That's saying something.
I know.
Just have
It's a blessing.
Sorry. Look at the, what is the lamp made out of? Like diapers?
I don't know. Mom's sweet ass. I can live with this closet.
I don't like it. It feels like old napkins.
Ew.
I'm coming out of the closet.
I like it though. It looks like the, what are those called? The paper screens?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's what they look like, but
like
they
that.
they serve as, you know, closets. That's nice.
Even better.
Do you want your undies on display? Look at them.
These are cool though. They're like little ratty shoehorns.
What are they? They're kind of cute.
I think it's a shoehorn.
I'm assuming they're shoehorns.
Why are there fewer black ones than white and red ones?
Because all the Goths people already bought them all.
True. But I don't need a shoehorn.
I don't even know what a shoehorn is for.
Your shoes?
To horn your shoes.
Exactly. It's for when your shoes are horny. You beat them.
Itty bitty goth bed.
Aww, it's so cute. This is where you will raise all your goth children, except not with all the trucks and cars.
It could be for Gothabilly kids.
Gothabilly.
There you go, goth village.
Oh
They
Jesus.
only do it to look cute.
Oh my
Pandas are-
God. Some sicko hung
Look,
these bodies. That's awesome.
who's this? I don't know what this is. That's pretty badassery.
I am
They're $7 hairs. Ah, God!
So for all the people who like their little leg warm things, they have them at IKEA for
And they're black.
$6.99.
They've got black fuzzies.
Yeah.
Oh my God, they got little stuffed
Little mummies.
and
Vampires.
vampires.
Vampires. A vampire. A pile of vampires. Best thing. Robot hand. Robot hand.
Be bird person.
Mom, I like bird person.
Be bird person.
Fill your face with robot hand. A pile of pandas. Oh my God! He's so ready! Carrots!
Tinier ones here.
The babies! Oh, the babies.
It
It's
looks like
so
that mouse
soft.
Gatuli.
But this one's moose. These are mooses. Or mooses.
Goosig moose.
Goosig.
Goosig moose.
Goosig moose. These are mooses. It actually sits on my shoulder. That's the best part.
Nice. Baby's got a friend.
Actually, how it should be is normally that's what it turns into. And then they fart, and it's like, oh, God damn it.
Poğuşu rahatsız oluşum kırıyor ama üstüne bağırsak seni koymadı içiyordu nanç. Imare kujke i kažane i noć kujičnica da.
There's all the little chandelier looking ones.
I heart them. They give me a heart on. There's your Death Star.
All the Death Stars.
All the Death Stars.
They got a green one. Oh, here are bigger ones.
Giant Death Star of Doom.
All the Death Stars.
Well, yeah, I like that one. This one's got the metal on the inside. Oh, I need like 12 of those.
Hey,
I actually need to get some for my vanity because
it's a freaking spider web. How
the
cool is
lighting
that?
is messed up. Can make it look like a spider web. Oh, it is.
It's a flipping spider web.
That's like you probably can't tell in the video, but that's yeah, it's like a spider web. Let's see, it's a groove.
A screw. It's $10 hairs.
$10 hairs.
Yeah.
Front and back.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
This one's almost
worn
like,
out.
I don't know. Drip.
There it is. There's the self-serve furniture area. Glad I have a box spring now. I'm almost tempted to get one of those. The power drills.
That's up to you, man. See the shit that she's pushing? Like a boss. Back that ass up.
Let's go ahead. I need a power door.
Okay. Like a boss.
We were lost for a while, but we have everything we need. You ready to go build this now, Poe?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Heshta. 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 Bitches. Heshta, bitches.
Poe is finishing up the last drawer handle, and we are exhausted. I think it's like midnight or 1 a.m. or something. We still need to put the mattress on.
And you still need to make your bed.
You put the handle on upside down.
You know what? It's not the only one I put upside down.
Really?
Oh, fuck me.
How you feel right now? We're both so tired, oh my god. That was our IKEA trip. I hope you enjoyed our video. We really underestimated just how long this would take us. I actually felt really bad because the next day, my landlord came up to me and he said, "Hey, did you hear any banging or anything last night?" And I said, "Yes, that was me. I'm really sorry. We lost track of time, you know, yada yada." And he said that my upstairs neighbor, like, thought it was his next door neighbor right next door and started yelling at her and threatening her. I don't mean for crap like that to happen. Like, I try to be really quiet. I mean, if it was a different project and it was like 10 o'clock, that'd be different. But I kind of needed the bed frame or else I was gonna be sleeping on a pile of laundry. I felt absolutely terrible about that, and if for some reason my neighbors happen to be watching this, I am so sorry. Mostly to the girl who got yelled at. Neighbor dude, you're a jerk. You could have just come down, knocked on our door and said, "Hey, you know, stop banging things." Alright, thank you guys for watching. Mwah.